Welcome to the Whole House Fan family. This green appliance can cool your home, bring in fresh, clean air, and reduce viral spread. When running the fan instead of AC, you save 50 to 90% in energy consumption. This can provide the highest return on investment of any green solution. Your Whole House fan works by pulling cool, clean, fresh air through your windows and throughout your home, while pushing hot, stale air out of the attic. To use your Whole House fan, anytime it's cooler outside than inside, open a window in rooms where you want targeted fast airflow, or for general cooling, open multiple windows furthest away from the fan, to include the basement. Windows or exterior doors must be open anytime the fan is on. For low-speed operation, the open window surface area should be at least the size of the ceiling grate. For high speed, double that open window surface area. Select the desired duration and speed. Most controls are set to automatically turn off after the selected duration, but be sure to always keep windows open while in use. Running the fan without enough windows open can damage the fan and create unwanted negative pressure inside your home. For best results, run the fan longer at night or morning to reduce the core temperature of your home. This will delay AC usage that day. By cooling the entire mass of your home, including the floors, walls, furniture, and other surfaces, your home will be able to stay more comfortable throughout the day. Closing windows, blinds, and shades after cooling the home will keep it cooler for longer. Because whole house fans provide total home cooling, your AC system won't need to run as hard or for as long, if at all. Other pro tips include using the fan to flush out unwanted smells, flushing out stale air on warm winter days, and insulating the fan in the winter to reduce heat loss. Enjoy your new Whole House fan.